Hello students, today we discuss about the other pattern of inheritance. It's before we already explained to you about the law of the Mendel's. So according to Mendel's tells that in F1 generation heterozygous condition, F1 generation comes always heterozygous condition in according to Mendel's. Okay. So in heterozygous condition means heterozygous condition. In F1 generation, according to Mendel's, in F1 generation come always heterozygous condition, or this heterozygous condition consists two types of alleles. Okay, suppose two types of alleles are displayed. Okay, so in this type of alleles, only one allele is responsible for expression of the characters. Okay, only one allele is responsible for the expression of the character. So here T, capital T is responsible for the character of the offspring. So this place is a capital T. So it represents the tallness of the plant. Means this is a tall plant. This is a tall plant. Or this tall plant represented by this letter. Means capital T represents the character of the offspring. Okay. But other allele is not responsible for the character of the organism, or it present in a suppressed form. It present in suppressed condition. It present suppressed in condition. Okay, but some law do not follow the Mendel's law. Okay. Some law do not follow the Mendel's law, so that law is called the incomplete dominance. Okay, in this law tells in an F1 generation, this is a heterozygous condition. In F1 generation, both alleles are responsible. Means here both alleles are responsible. Both alleles are responsible for expression of character. For expression of the character. Okay, clear here? Means both alleles are responsible for representing the character, or both alleles are responsible for the phenotypic character. One allele cannot express the character. Okay, so this allele is responsible for the red color, and this allele is responsible for the white color. Okay, this is the red color. So when both alleles, so this genotype here, this genotype means capital R and small r showing the pink flower. But according to the Mendel's, this place will be the red flower. In F1 generation will produce red flower. But this law, incomplete law, do not follow the Mendel's law. Therefore, this place in a F1 generation produce pink flower. Okay, so this experiment is done on the Mirabilis jalapa plant. Okay, this experiment is done on the Mirabilis jalapa plant. Jalapa plant, very important. Mirabilis jalapa plant, it is also called the 4 o'clock plant. 4 o'clock plant. Okay, or snapdragon plant. Okay, now we discuss the incomplete dominance law, which do not follow the Mendel's law. Okay, law of incomplete dominance. Law of incomplete dominance. Okay, so according to this law, when cross is made, okay, when cross is made when cross is made between two plant taking one contrasting character, then these character blend to each other and form a new character okay, according to this law. But according to Mendel, no any new character is formed. Okay, so when the cross is made between two plants taking one contrasting character, then these characters are mixed together and form a new character. Okay, when Mendel crossed tall plant and dwarf plant, okay, according to when Mendel crossed between the two plants taking one contrasting character, means tall plant and dwarf plant, then only one character is present in F1 generation, which is the tall. Okay, but tall is the both of them one character, but in complete dominance a new character is represent. Okay, when we cross between the white flower and the pink flower, when the cross is made between the white flower and pink flower, then in F1 generation only pink flower is obtained. So this law do not follow the Mendel's law. Okay, now we see incomplete of dominance with the help of an diagram. Okay, so when the cross is between red flower and white flower, okay, red flower and white flower, genotype of red flowers are here capital R and capital R, and white flowers here small r and small. Okay, we use here cross sign. You remember also, this is the parental generation. We represent with the help of the P. This place genotype are the same, so this place only one R is used. Okay, when similar gametes are present, genotype to so write only one. Okay, this place also one. Okay, so when the cross is made between them, okay, so in this generation means F1 generation only one character is present. This is called the pink flower. Pink flower means a new character is produced here. Okay, but according to Mendel, this place will be red flower. Okay, but this do not follow the law of the Mendel, therefore this place a pink flower is present, therefore it is not follow the Mendel's law. Okay, when we selfing cross between the F1 plants, capital R small r, this place capital R small r. Okay, when we self cross is made between them, so first we write it separately, capital R small r. This place also write separately, capital R and small r. When the cross is made capital R with capital R, so this place capital R, this place capital R small r, and this place also comes capital R small r, this place comes small r and small r. Okay, so this place we observe here one red flower is represent here. This place come red flower, okay, pure red flower, or this place come white flower. This is the white flower. Okay, white flower, and this place two other flower. This place two other flower are the pink flower. Pink flower means in F1 generation we obtain three types of flower. Okay, so phenotypic ratio we write here because phenotypic ratio will be this place one red flower, two pink flower and white. Phenotypic ratio means the visible character of an organism, and genotypic ratio, we talk about the genotypic ratio. genes of genotypic ratio. Genes of the flower is here. Capital R are only one here. Okay, capital R, small r. This type of genotype here 2. So this type here 2. Okay, and small r is placed 1. So this is the law of the incomplete dominance example. Or incomplete dominance is the cross in which phenotypic ratio or genotypic ratio are the same. This is a very important thing. Incomplete dominance is a cross in which both phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio are the same.